ladies and gentlemen, here's the final product for now. And these huge freaking handlebar clamps I got. I bought them used. It was like the first thing I found on eBay. They came with some hardware, but they were too long, so I had to go to Home Depot to get these black ones. But that's why I didn't record the process of me basically reassembling everything. But got the OEM grips, which I'm super happy about. Ginormous clamp. Next, I want to change these stock levers for sure, and change the stump throttle. That's coming real soon. And yeah, more Banshee footage coming soon. Yeah, man, I'm stock grips. I'm excited for that. But yeah, a lot of progress done on the bike. Could turn on. We haven't rode it yet, but it looks much different now with this nice shock and stock link in the back. I'm loving it. But yeah, stay tuned, everybody. More Banshee stuff coming soon.